Hello everyone, this is Valentine from SheetGo. In today's video I'm going to show you how to install and use our inventory lending template in Google Sheets. To go to our templates, you simply go to app.sheetgo.com/templates. There we go. This brings us inside the SheetGo web application, where you can find the many different templates we provide to start creating your workflow, or you can do it just with a blank canvas. But let me show you the inventory lending template. You use this template to track your borrowed items, of course, and how much you still have in stock, who is borrowing your item, and so on. And you have a nice dashboard that gives you a clear overview of the situation. So you can check this information here, but let me show you by clicking on Use Template. So here we are. The system is now created inside our Google Drive, and you can see on this network view how it looks like. So you have your master sheet, inventory lending, you have your check-in spreadsheet and your checkout spreadsheet. Let me open each one of these and show you how it looks like. So we are now inside the inventory lending master sheet. As you can see, we have some initial instructions here, so read through this on how to use it. It starts by telling you to input the item database. What you input here is the current items that you have and also the new ones that you will acquire over time. You do not input items that you get back from your borrowers, but just what you have right now and how much, of course. In your check-in spreadsheets, you will register the items that are returned to your stock, so you get back from the persons who borrowed it. So you do that in this tab. Check-in date, the name of the borrower and their item name, and how many. This will automatically populate into this drop-down coming from the master sheet. So we're now in the checkout spreadsheet, and here you register all your lent out items. This has a connection with the database as well. We have a hidden sheet right here, item database, that comes from the master sheet. But here in your checkout, you simply input checkout date, the name of the borrower, the item name that they've borrowed, and how much they've borrowed, of course. Once you've filled everything out and you want to see everything in the master sheet, update the connection here in the SheetGo web app, so run the workflow. Then inside the master sheet, you have your item out matrix. Let me show you. So here you can visually easily see which person or entity has borrowed which item. You also have your current inventory list with availability and percentages. And you have a very nice dashboard that will visually easily tell you what's up with your borrowed items and your stock levels. So you see here that you've lended out 29 out of 228 items. You see how many items are lent out and by who, which items are out here, and your actual available items. So this is how our inventory lending template works. If you have any questions about this, feel free to comment below and we will make sure to help you. If you have special requests as a SheetGo user, of course you can visit our SheetGo community. I will put the link in the description below, and feel free to customize this template as you like. Thank you very much.